In the last video, we left off with Joseph about to interpret Pharaoh's dream. Vayomer Yosef el Paro, Chalom Paro ze. Right. So Vayomer Yosef el Paro. Notice you have this guy up here, right? Kef. So that breaks it. Chalom Paro. These guys go together. Ze. This is the dream of Pharaoh. Et asher ha'Elohim ya'aseh siper leFaro. Et asher, that which God will do. Notice you've got here ya'aseh siper leFaro. He told to Pharaoh. And here we go. Sheva parot hatovot sheva shanim hena. Right. So this is where the atnach is incredibly important. You see it right there. Sheva parot hatovot. Right. The seven goodly or good cows, right? Sheva shanim hena. They are 7 years. V'gam sheva haparot harakot v'haraot sheva shanim hena. Hu hadavar asher dibarti el paro. Right? Who, this is the thing or the word. Asher dibarti el paro. Et asher, and et asher you need to know is an idiom that means that which, right? Et asher ha'Elohim ya'aseh siper leFaro. Hine sheva shanim yavo sava gadol. B'chol eretz Mitzrayim. V'hayu sheva shnei ra'av. Okay? Notice you've got here with shnei ra'av, you have a smichut. Sheva shnei ra'av, years of famine. Achrehen, achrei, preposition, hen. Be'eretz Mitzrayim, break. Ve'achal ha'ra'av et ha'aretz. Now notice what you have here, okay? You've got ve'hayu and ve'achal. Both of these are vav consecutive perfects, and they come on the heels of the trigger verb right here. Shanim yavo, will come, okay? So you got to note that. Ve'achal ha'ra'av et ha'aretz. Ve'lo yizkeru et hasava ba'aretz mipnei ha'ra'av hahu. Ki chaved hu me'od. All right. Ve'ata, oh, hello. Moving slow here. Hello. Sorry, my computer is glitchy. Okay. Ve'ata yir'e Faro ish chacham v'sam oto. Okay, ve'ata yir'e, and again, read the footnote to make sure you understand what's going on there. Faro ish chacham v'sam oto al eretz Mitzrayim. Okay, v'sam also vav consecutive. How do you know that? Trigger verb. Ya'aseh Faro sarim al haaretz ולקחו 5 אוכל מארץ מצרים בשבע שני הסבה. Alright, and what's going on here? Notice again, you've got ya'aseh, and then there's your trigger verb, and then velakachu is the vav consecutive perfect that is quote unquote triggered by this guy. וישימו את כל אוכל השנים הטובות האלה וישמרו אותו תחת יד פרעה אוכל בערים, והיה האוכל לארץ ל7 שני הרעב בארץ מצרים, ולא תאבד